Hi guys and welcome back. So here we have a hard disk for repair. So the problem with this hard drive, so you can see the connectors are broken. So the customer said he needs to replace this connector here. So this is not a much technical repair, just a replacement of the connector here. So I have a hard disk similar to this one here. So they are same exactly. So I'm just thinking whether I can swap this motherboard to this one here, or else just replace this connector onto this hard disk here. So anyhow, we will just take out the motherboard of these two hard drive and compare with them and see whether we can swap these motherboard on other here. Okay, so let me disassemble the motherboard. So you can see the hard drive, the motherboard of this hard drive here. So the traces on this motherboard is broken, you can see. So we need to replace this connector here. So let's try to fix this hard drive so the customer would be happy. Right. Okay, so this motherboard is actually not working. So when I plug in the power adapter and also the data line, the SATA cable, no response on the motherboard here, and the hard disk is not spinning. So I can say just replace this connector onto this motherboard here and see whether this is working. So you can see we need to prepare the pads for this one. So just a try. I'm not sure whether this would work. Anyhow, we will try our maximum and see whether we can fix this one. Okay. Okay, now I have removed this connector from this motherboard here. So this motherboard is not working, so I can use this connector to fix it on this motherboard and see whether this is working. Okay, so the best way to fix this connector onto this motherboard, first we can place this connector onto this motherboard, then we can use small jumper wires to connect the pins on this connector to the motherboard here. For example, if you look at this point, the pads on this point is ripped off, so we can't prepare the pads for this one. It might take some time to prepare the pads for this one. So instead of doing that, we can just place the connector on this place and use the jumper wires to connect from this capacitor to the connector there. So then we can have a good connection. So it will be an easy job and a reliable connection with the capacitor and also with the connector there. Okay, so we will try that. First we can connect it onto this motherboard. We can solder all possible connections, then we can go for the broken connections and we can use some jumper wires to connect those to the motherboard here and with the connector here. So you can see everything looks fine. So the pins are well aligned onto its pad. Okay, so now we can make solder connections from the connector to the motherboard here. Then we can go for the broken pads. Okay, and everything looks fine. Right. Okay, now I have made all the broken connections. So on this point you can see I have used a jumper wire to connect this one, and these data lines also was broken, so I have used a jumper wire to connect these together, and I can confirm that they are now joined together properly and have reliable connection. So now I can just apply UV glue and then it can be cured and secured properly. Okay, right. Okay, so now the work is done, so everything is complete. So you can see the connector is now well fit to the motherboard, and also I have used an epoxy on these joints here so that the connectors will be firmly fit to the motherboard, and if someone pulls the cable forcefully in the next time, these connectors will not drift off from this motherboard here. Okay, so it is a nice job and it ensures that it can be used for a long time. Okay, right. Okay, so now you can see the hard disk has been detected by this system here. So we did a solid job, and you can see 1863 GB of storage is now usable in this hard drive here. Okay, so if we go to the disk management, we can see the different partitions of this hard drive, and everything is healthy and usable. So I can access all the files in it and everything looks fine. So I can send it to the customer and he will be happy about it. So right, so thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for our future updates, and see you later with a useful video to you guys. Okay.